Good morning. This is RJS Roofing here to do a repair test on Mr. Akinmola's residence. It is January 26th, about 50 degrees outside. Today we'll be replacing this shingle here with this damaged tab. We'll be using a State Farm roof snake to insert the nails and take the nails out, and a regular hammer. So first, I'll start by loosening all these shingles so that we can get to the nails. 3 rows up. Then I'll start to take these nails out. Trying to get under these tabs as easy as I can without raising the tab. This one doesn't even have it there. As you can see, just on the first row, we have 2 other creases forming just from getting those nails out. These are some brittle shingles. Get in on that PSI just so y'all see that it is kind of hard to get that nail out in case I am lifting just a little too high. This one's up a little too high. Finished taking all the nails out. As you can see, we got a couple creases forming just from that. Nails were a bit off. PSI was up a little too high. So I kind of had to dig at it. So most likely, if it was to just be repairs done on this, you'd have to do this multiple times and have the same result. So now we're gonna install these nails. So this repair is done. As you can see, in doing so, this one was already here. Created two more on the bottom, one more at the top. Dylan, when I get done marking these up, if you can just go back, get a close up on these, and show the creases that are formed. So with that being said, this repair test has failed. Good.